Look at that beautiful downtown Houston. All this ride, we are here Saturday, part 2 of the mega ride. I put at least maybe like around, maybe like 400 miles in the past 3 days. Every day was at least touching maybe like 80. Going back and forth, charging. Alright. So we are now heading to We Code It. We were supposed to take a nice little street path, but we ended up on the highway. I'm not sure exactly how, but as you can see here, we're just all hella confused. So the next stop is We Code It.
Put that motherfucking thing in my face.
Getting them all inside your face. Get it in your face. Houston, baby.
This guy with a cigar. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to be like Dave.
One other thing worth mentioning is the guys from Shock Bikes have set up a silent auction over here on the side. And let me tell y'all what this is for. Our good friend Mike that runs Dirtbike Industries had his house destroyed in Eden. And this is one of those chances. You know, we as a community get a chance to define like, what we want to be. If there's any of the stuff that interests you over there, please just make a bid on it. You probably, swipe it for a little bit competitively, I imagine. And all the proceeds tonight go to our friend Mike, from Dirtbike Industries. Shout out to the guys who stopped by to make this possible. Aaron and Tom, thank you guys so much, man. I really appreciate you guys.
Okay, Hannah.
Yes.
Put it up. This to me. I was walking and they just put it in my hand. They're like, "You look cool."
I like that.
Oh snap! Let me squeeze in a little here with this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna review the first one.
First one, then we do the second one. I am very impressed. I really like your whole package.
Like the suit that I was wearing earlier?
Well, the suit you were
Once again, thank you to our friends from Chibattery
style,
who guaranteed that we would be the first people to see the Gen 2 compact
I'm a big fan.
See all the changes, the brand new case, brand new display, relocation of the plug. I mean, so many different changes that are new to this battery, unique to this battery. You will be the first person, besides myself, to be. Well, I guess besides Surron Pit Stop, who used my battery this weekend. You will be the first person to be able to rock this, and I'm really super excited. You guys knocked it out of the park. Thank you all so much. And the best part about this is the winner gets his choice.
Oh shit!
60 or 72.
60 or 72. D. Wayne Palmer. Come on.
Damn, I had 47.
One thing.
Speech.
That's my birthday.
This is God's giving gift, dude. It's God's giving gift. Wait, get that. That is God. That's all.
You want to go faster? You got it, buddy. That's yours.
Whichever one you want.
Hey, go for range.
Christmas is coming up.
That's your choice. That's your choice.
Go for range. Range. No power.
That's awesome, bro.
Dude. Yo, OG. You well deserved, OG.
That's great.
Fucking well deserved. Dude.
That is
wow. God given, my brother.
AC-8000.
Woo!
From Shot Bikes. Where's Shot
I need
Bikes?
that shit. I need that
These guys are out of Florida. They sell all kinds. They're the official EDMX distributor here for the United States. Any EDMX type of part you want, these guys are the ones you want to talk to. They also sell Surron, Florida, all the Ultra B, Scorpion stuff that's coming. These are your guys you don't want to look at. All right.
Going once. Going twice.
Redraw. Oh, you go back. Fucked up if you can't write your name. Catatonic Vlogs.
Journey, Shaw, Catatonic Vlogs. Catatonic Vlogs.
Nobody clapped.
Oh, dang.
We need ID. We need ID. We need ID.
Prove your name. Show us your ID. Show the ID. We gotta see the ID. He almost got a break. For real.
Fast Days that was donated by Grommy Bear. Shout out to Grommy Bear.
Where you at? Let's go!
I suspect y'all probably heard of him. He has a little YouTube channel that y'all might have seen once or twice. If you haven't, I would suggest you go there and subscribe. All right, we're going to
Only like a million.
get it. 60
Tiny.
people.
Tiny.
Humble million.
Yeah.
Thank you. Shout out to the OG. Really master. There you go.
Please scratch my lottery ticket for me. Please scratch my lottery ticket. I'm paying $1 for it. I'll make it mountain.
Also, some Grommy Bear will give away some Fast Day sports. Roberto Mejia. Roberto.
That's the guy. Let's go.
How you getting home with that?
I don't know, bro. Yo, we'll talk about pricing later, my man. Move it. Damn, that's fucking sick, dude. One of our fellas won it. I'm fucking happy for that.
Build the other one. That's why they gave him these.
New York and
Come on, Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Wyatt. Come on.
Fucking good shit, dude. Good shit, dude. I won a fucking switchblade knife straight up from Texas. This is fucking amazing. I shouldn't be doing a wheelie. Oh, this is the nightlife. There's a lot of people coming. It's a little breezy, I can't lie. Do it! Oh, he nasty. Oh, never mind, you're nasty with it. We got 15 people in the back, probably another 20 in the back. This is going on. There we go, Mr. Will. Haha. Ooh, smooth with it. Okay. Haha. So amazing. I'm riding here with the fucking Texas people in LA. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Let's get it. My brother, you got, yeah, I'm sure you need that. Ah, it's so nice out here. So are you filling up 93 or 89? Got you, brother. We got you. Oh, damn. Yo, we might have a problem, dude. I don't know what's wrong with my bike. I don't know. Oh, it's loose. It's loose. Yo, you guys have tools?
Bill might.
This is easy. No, that's easy. It's just it just slipped out. Yo, where's Dave? Dave. Where's Dave? My back screw just slipped out. I just need to pop it back in. It's like I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Oh, that's what it is. I'm missing the axle bolt. Or just find it on the floor.
Alright, man, you lost your nut?
I lost my nut. Fuck it. So I started feeling it when I came here, so it's probably on the floor somewhere.
Oh.
So guys, I lost my nut. Yeah. He knows, and if they go, because it's like whatever. I'm not gonna hold everybody up for a nut. But I feel like I'm holding y'all up. Yeah, it's all good. I'm not gonna hold everybody up. Came in over here.
I think there's still people in We Coated.
All right, let's go back there.
Back over there.
Okay.
Head back to We Coated. Let me touch in this shit first.
Sorry.
A little tension in there? Yeah, a little tension. You're gonna have to prove. You got a 10 on? No, this looks like sabotage to me. When's the last time you worked on the rear wheel?
Before we met up, when I was changing the brakes. Like like a week ago.
These brakes? Why you remove the wheel to work on the brakes?
No, I didn't remove the wheel at all.
When's the last time you worked on the wheels? What I'm asking.
Oh, probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
This ain't a megaride if you don't got somebody going down. Tail of the trade. Got the nut. We're good to go. Probably when we go home, we'll adjust it because it's probably like a little off. Yeah, man. You too, man. That's another problem. Solid. We're good to go. Later. That's I forgot his name. Arizona Surron or something like that. So it is freaking freezing. This place is nice. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I gotta get a little bit better about making these outros. I always forget, or my GoPro always dies. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. We have the last and final day, which is a Sunday ride for the last day of the Texas Mega Ride. Do not miss it. It ends off with a nice bow tie, I promise you. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. I appreciate all my supporters and all the supporters. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace.